Every project is inherently a risk. While it's a risk, we try to make sure that it's a calculated risk. It's good to work with a team that knows these aircraft and that, commercially speaking, gets the concept also. This Global Express is a unique aircraft. It was part of a package of 2 that was owned since new by the Japanese government. So our idea is to essentially refurbish the airplane to new-like conditions. We feel here that with this facility and our resources, it's a good team behind both to market the airplane as well as to bring it to market condition. Our goal is to make it the prettiest, most turnkey Global Express in the world.